raindrops falling on a beautiful land, etching light marks on the water surface. The sound of rain touching the heart's roof, releasing gentle rain, giving it tender feeling. Rain brings a tender feeling.